So I thought I'd give a partial shop tour of what I do. Just go through the offices here. Different things I've got going on. 3D printer. There's the woodworking area here. And that's sort of my main shop. There's a few different customer moulds for parts, carbon pieces. This is sort of the composite slab area. That's dry 12K carbon 2x2 I make my own pre-preg for tooling usually. Different materials there. Some honeycomb. The freezer I keep the pre-preg in. Up back into the shop. There's a CNC mill. It's a 3-axis Allen Bradley controlled. It's quite a good machine. It's older, but it's quite nice, very reliable. It's my CNC lathe. This was a manual machine I converted to CNC years ago, and it's been quite reliable. It's a good machine actually. Different things, small oven there, layout table. Here's the autoclave here. It's a 3-foot diameter by 6 foot long. And a CNC router. This is machining. It's machining a wind tunnel tyre mould. So I'll take a female pre-preg mould off that and then make the carbon fibre wind tunnel tyres. Fork truck, different stuff back here, and here's all the bikes. H2 750 Kawasaki, own chambers on it. There's my XV 750 cafe bike. And then there's the Turbo Ninja 500R. I presently need to put a turbo on. It's eating the turbo in that, too much boost. It's running at 18.5 pounds of boost, and the little turbo didn't like it. Anyway, that's the most of it. Thanks a lot.